How to speed up septic tank solid breakdown without harsh chemicals. A healthy septic system depends on beneficial bacteria to break down waste and solids naturally. When these solids build up too quickly, they can cause bad odors, slow drains, and costly repairs. The good news is that there are safe and natural ways to improve septic tank performance without using harsh chemicals that can harm the system. If you're wondering how to speed up septic tank solid breakdown without harsh chemicals, follow these simple tips. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. 1. Use natural septic treatments. Biological septic treatments contain beneficial bacteria and enzymes that help digest waste faster. These products support the natural breakdown process and reduce sludge buildup over time. 2. Avoid harsh household chemicals. Bleach, antibacterial cleaners, and chemical drain openers can kill the healthful bacteria living inside your septic tank. Choose septic-safe cleaning products whenever possible to keep the bacterial balance healthy. 3. Reduce excess water usage. Too much water entering the septic system can slow down waste treatment. Spread laundry loads throughout the week, repair leaks, and use water-efficient fixtures to prevent overloading the tank. 4. Do not flush non-biodegradable items. Items such as wet wipes, paper towels, feminine hygiene products, and plastics do not break down easily. These materials can increase solid buildup and create blockages. Only flush human waste and septic-safe toilet paper. 5. Dispose of grease properly. Cooking oil, grease, and fats can form thick layers inside the septic tank. Instead of pouring them down the drain, place them in a container and dispose of them in the trash. 6. Schedule regular septic maintenance. Even with proper care, every septic tank needs regular inspections and pumping. Routine maintenance helps prevent excessive sludge accumulation and keeps the system operating efficiently. Benefits of natural septic care: faster breakdown of solids, reduced sludge buildup, fewer unpleasant odors, better drainage performance, lower maintenance costs, longer septic system lifespan. Understanding how to speed up septic tank solid breakdown without harsh chemicals can help homeowners maintain a cleaner and more efficient septic system. By supporting beneficial bacteria, reducing chemical use, conserving water, and following good maintenance practices, you can improve waste breakdown naturally and avoid expensive septic problems in the future. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.